Can you use magic erasers to whiten your teeth? If you think you've seen it all when it comes to viral trends on TikTok, think again. The latest DIY trend involves using a magic eraser, yep. The kind you use to remove tough stains from your tub, walls, and stove, as an at-home teeth whitening technique, but, spoiler, you don't necessarily want to try this one at home. Is it safe to use a magic eraser on your teeth? That's a no, according to Yakob, PhD, oral healthcare expert and Quip's Senior Director of Professional and Scientific Affairs. Melamine foam, the main ingredient in a magic eraser, is made of formaldehyde, which the International Agency for Research on Cancer considers to be carcinogenic. It's highly toxic if ingested, inhaled, and potentially dangerous via any other form of direct contact, she says. There have been reported cases of nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and respiratory tract infections, among those who have had direct contact with it. After receiving some, understandably, worried comments, released a follow-up video, in which a dentist reportedly backs up her technique and calls it a safe method for stain removal on teeth, citing a 2015 study which found that a melamine sponge removed stains more effectively than a traditional toothbrush. However, the study was conducted on extracted human teeth, with no risk for ingestion. Like many things, it depends on your technique and how often you use it, said Yakob. Repeated and harsh use of melamine foam can result in tooth enamel wear and, most of all, accidental ingestion. There are other easy, effective methods for keeping your teeth squeaky clean, including brushing and flossing twice a day, maintaining a healthy diet, and visiting a dentist for regular cleanings. If you want to get crazy, maybe try a waterpik flosser. Whitening is best left to the pros or done using an at-home whitening kit, which is equal parts affordable, safe, and effective, without the risk of potentially ingesting illness-causing chemicals. Here is an alternative to whiten your teeth. You will only need 2 ingredients, Vaseline and baking soda. 1. Scoop out a small amount of Vaseline into a container. 2. Scoop out a small amount of baking soda into that same container and mix. You will want to mix well. Then you want to take a small amount and rub on each tooth. Rub over and over again on that one tooth before going to the next. Also use a small towel or dish towel to remove paste after each tooth has been scrubbed. Use your finger as opposed to a toothbrush. Use 3 times a week until you're satisfied. Try not to ingest too much Vaseline as it can act as a laxative.